I'll ride down there, then over there, past that lady, and then get. Yeah, I'm ready. I'll follow you. Yep. LachieMoto. LachieMoto. Gotta get going before someone actually. Yo guys, I just went on the fucking skate park on this thing. Skate parking it up. So small, no one really cares about it. Yeah, see? They don't mind.
You done fucked up now!
How's it going, sir? Not bad.
I think you know that it's not supposed to be on the road. You've got your license on it.
I do. Yep.
Who does this belong to?
Me.
You don't live here.
No, I brought it with me. I put it in the back of my car. Yeah.
Alright, I'll let you off with a warning today, but
Thank you so much. Yeah. You too. Thank you, sir. Yo, guys. Just got pulled over by the police. And got lit up with a warning. What an awesome cop. So how do I explain what just happened? I was playing around the skate park and I get pulled over. The cop was actually really nice, so I just said I was going to go get a drink, which, you know, obviously wasn't. But I just told him, you know, I'm getting a drink and I live just like 2 blocks down. Appreciate him just letting me off with a warning. Man, if I got a fine, that would have sucked. Don't honk your horn at me, man.
This is the anthem. Told the world I need everything and some. Yeah, 2 girls, that's a tandem. She gon' do it all for me when them bands come. Got it all, yeah, I'm young, rich, and handsome.